Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to get a credit builder plus loan from MoneyLion. If you don't have a MoneyLion account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links for similar cash advance apps in the description below. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several icons at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the Accounts icon. At the upper part of the screen, you will see a section for Credit Builder plus Loan. Tap on Credit Builder plus Loan. Here, you'll see the loan you're approved for. To proceed, tap on I want my loan. Now, read the credit builder's pledge. Then click on I agree. Next, you'll see the loan payment details. This will be your payment for the next billing. To continue, tap on the Next button. After reviewing the loan details, we will now read and review the following disclosures. Once reviewed, tap on the tick boxes to confirm that you have read and agree to the authorization and agreements. It will then ask you if you want your cash in seconds. If yes, tap on the button that says Sounds Good. Lastly, select which bank account you'd like the money to be sent. Tap on the option you wish to select. And now the funds has been transferred to your account. That's how you get a credit builder plus loan from MoneyLion. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.